A bee flies by. Most of the time we don't even notice. But behind those tiny wings lies one of nature's most organized, hard-working creatures. Let's dive into the amazing world of bees together. There's much more than honey. 1. They don't just fly with their wings, they cool you down. Bees flap their wings 200 times per second. This is used not only for flying, but also to cool the inside of the hive. They work like natural air conditioning. 2. A single bee makes only 1 teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Yes, its entire life. In other words, a jar of honey requires the labor of thousands of bees. Honey is literally a collective miracle. 3. Bees have 5 eyes. In addition to their 2 large compound eyes, they also have 3 smaller, simple eyes. These eyes are used to detect light direction and UV. 4. They talk by dancing. They do a swing dance to tell the direction and distance of the flower field they have discovered. This dance gives the other bees information about exactly where and what is there. 5. The queen of the hive can lay nearly 2,000 eggs a day. The queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day for the continuation of the colony. In other words, it works like a factory on its own. 6. The life of male bees is short and intense. Male bees, drones, live only to mate and die shortly after doing so. They do not deal with hive work and do not make honey. 7. If bees disappear, humanity will be in a difficult situation. Approximately 70% of the food on Earth depends on the pollination activities of bees. Without bees, agriculture would collapse. The ecosystem chain would be disrupted. As Einstein said, if bees disappear, humanity could disappear in 4 years. See, the world of these tiny bees works like a giant system. If this information surprised you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and write in the comments which one you said, "Wow," to the most. See you in new honey content.